How to add categories and subcategories on Shopify. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add categories and subcategories in Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up your shopify.com and you will get right here. This is our Shopify admin. I'll show you how to add categories and subcategories. For that, you will have to go to the products. In products, you will find inventory, transfers, and collection. So collection is categories, just another name. So in order to create a new category or a collection on Shopify, you will click on this option. Here we can create a new category or a collection for our products. First of all, give your collection a name. I'm going to go ahead and call it Holidays Special. And then we have to enter a description here. So I'm just going to write products for holidays. Then we have to scroll down. So if it's going to be a manual or automated, so in automated means that existing and future products will be added right here that meet the condition, or we can go with manual and select the products ourselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with manual and I will be adding some of the products here. Once you have added this detail, then you will find the collection availability here, online store, Facebook, and others. It depends on what integrations you have added to your Shopify. Otherwise, it's just going to be an online store. Then you have to enter your collection image. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do that. All right, so this is going to be my collection image. And then we have our online store. This is going to be added in the default collection. Click on save and your new category will be created. Now I can actually create subcategories into it or sub collections. For that, what you can do is you can select this one and you can click on more actions, and then you can see we have delete option, we have edit collection again, availability or type. You can add as many products as you like in your category and it will be created. So we can also have a parent category and then create like subcategories into it really easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.